Ano?
Ay!
Ano ba? Huwag mga kapidyohan.
Saan tayo pupunta ngayon?
To the moon. Skirt.
Hello.
May importante lang akong mensahe sa mga viewers. Tignan mo, kilikili mo, tinubuan ng mat...
Nang ano?
Nang what? I'm sorry, can you repeat that in English?
Anong gagawin natin kay
Your
Mansur?
armpit.
Anong gagawin natin kay Mansur?
Birthday bash.
Bash.
So, ibabash natin talaga siya.
For every day for 7
Tignan
days
natin yung
na.
reaction niya. Ano to? Ano pala tayo? Prank
Prank.
channel. So ano to? Gagawin natin siya. Medyo subtle ng konti. So kunwari, sabihin natin, ay! Ano naman yung sapatos mo? Ba't naman ganyan?
Oh.
Ay, bahin mo naman yung ano. Tapos sobrang feel bad na siya. Tapos matatapos na yung pagkakaibigan natin.
10 seconds, hindi na siya. Napaka-mean.
Kasi sobrang hassle nyo ni. Ang hassle nyo.
Ito na pala yung
Tama
first and last. Stay tuned for the future content.
Saan yung dalawa? Uyo.
Stay in tune pala.
Hello! Ayan na. Meet our other members. Dapat
Hi.
natin yung free spray.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Habibi, are you excited, bro?
Yung mga intro na free spray.
Are you excited?
Tapos may ano siya,
Yeah?
description ng
That's all you can say, yeah? Are you excited?
Very much, especially when I'm with you guys.
Wow.
Eh, ayoko sa'yo. Ayoko sa'yo.
Bakit?
Ah,
Bakit?
Joke.
grabe, no?
Please, ayoko. Calm down.
Tara, magkalimutan na lang tayo.
It's a long line.
Bro, there's no plane yet, bro. Habibi,
Para pag mag-apply ako,
sino ada?
feeling hot, bro.
Remove your sweater, stupid. Grabe yung Burger King pa, oh.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna eat that.
I'm gonna eat that. No, who are you? You're,
If I keep this inside,
See you guys in Georgia.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you, mate?
I'm really good. I'm really excited.
We're gonna board the
We're gonna
airplane.
board the airplane. Uy, pare.
Hi.
Happy birthday! Thank you! Justin, happy birthday soon, March.
It's as bright as a diamond. Like a diamond. Wow. Thank you. Jasem. Hey. Hello, happy birthday, bro.
Thank you.
Hey, wow, we're finally here,
Yeah,
bro.
welcome to my Georgia tour.
Join me.
Join me.
Hello. Grabe. Parang Kuwait lang din, hindi naman ganun kalamig. Akala ko. So, tanong, may Jollibee ba dito? Hello! First Jordy Shore. Grabe, ang ganda.
Dubai yung first country man in Europe.
Outside of Philippines.
Happy birthday!
Hey, thank you.
Day!
Happy
Birthday.
God, this is so nice. Sunset.
what a sight. Very compared to your
Para kang transcended. Oh!
Ano na, Georgia?
Hindi.
Lagi tayo kasi.
Yay!
Ano?
No, we'll travel together.
Happy
Stop looking at me.
Why every 5 years? Every 3 years?
Kasi depende sa ano. Depende sa...
look at me naman.
2 years.
Sige.
Wow, si Pam, malaki na ano. How many days? How many days? 1 week.
What?
1 week, 7 years.
7 weeks sabi ko.
Ay, 7 weeks wala.
Sabi ko ay 7 days.
Kinabahan ako kay ate. Bakit eh?
Tapos seryoso mo.
It's unreal, bro. Unreal, man. Can't even believe we're here, man.
I can't believe.
We are believers.
Ay, yung bus, oh, KPTC.
What
Bakit ba
the
na?
heck is
Ka
this?
na bumalik.
Parang kahit saan ko itutok yung camera ko. Ganda eh. What the heck? Wait.
This rooms are for you. About non-smoking, you can smoke, but only on the balcony.
We don't
We hate smoking.
Then perfect. Yes. You will also have a breakfast. It will be right here from 8 to 11. Okay. The Wi-Fi. Everybody already connected, I think. The most important thing.
What are your guys' names?
Mike and George.
My
and
name is
George.
most famous name in Georgia.
Yes.
George.
George is right here, but the Georgian it is difficult to maintain to see. It is Georgi.
George.
Is your name really Mike?
On the job? Yes. At home, Misha.
Misha.
It's Russian name.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can drop your base here. First, I will show you a room, and after, as you wish. So I just
Also, another job as well.
Dogs, bro. Yung birds, oh.
Alam mo, feeling ko hindi ako matutulog.
Oo, lahat tayo may parang warm tone na.
Happy birthday to you. Ting ting ting, ching ching.
Hearing ting 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 ting.
Hello guys, today live here in, where are we? Tbilisi. In front of us is a rally happening and I don't know what to say.
Whoa!
Galleria, Davinci. Hey guys. Huh? What?
Where?
Oh,
Happy
toast.
guys.
Ang tagal ko
Toast, guys.
Yay! Cheers!
Iba yung effect sa akin.
First time ko tayo. Kachapuri?
Poor.
So guys, make the most of it.
Oh, harap!
Wow.
Wow, me.
Wow.
Sarap guys. I can have this every day for breakfast.
How?
Alright.
How?
Oo nga, no?
Pinch?
Doesn't what were you saying? Just a while ago.
Just pinch, pinch, and then dip.
Dip.
Oh yeah, when I eat this one, it's that's all I said.
Just egg, bro. And bread. I think it's fine.
Ah,
So, sa kanya
Ibig
na-
sabihin, hindi niya binubuksan yung session niya sa
Did
akin.
you ask if it came with salt?
Panood mo?
Ah.
Ang sarap, bro. Happy birthday again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wala.
My favorite thing to do with you guys is to celebrate your birthday.
3, 2, oh.
Ano, okay ka pa? So we asked our waitress what does she recommend so that the alcohol hype will, you know, decrease. And she said lemon or some sour fruits. And look how much lemon she gave us. For
Mark, get one.
No, I don't need. I'm
okay,
good.
on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you feel?
How do you feel? Hi.
How are you?
Huh?
How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm 5. Yeah.
What's up?
Hey! Bro, What can you say about today's food, man? We wasted so much money.
It's fun.
Yung nakita natin sa Jana, sa taxi. Bro, what is this? Sino nga di? ما يصير حبيبي شنو هذا؟
لازم 5 لاري 5 لاري
5 لاري ها؟ Oh, you almost kicked me in the balls, bro.
Guys, let's try that one, oh.
Which one?
You know, yung mukhang basket.
Sige, sige.
Tapos
Ang bigat nyo eh.
sige, isa pa. Yung medyo malakas.
Wala akong force eh.
Opo, si Aso.
Buns! Siso daw, siso.
Yeah, okay na. Happy birthday to
Yung lights.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Parang haunted house tal ah.
Happy birthday.
Awkward!
Bakit ako?
Thank you!
Welcome.
There's a story behind
That.
Okay, what's the story?
What's the story?
So, ba't napindot? Sino nakapindot?
Hindi kasi ano yan, do you know the cafe we ate? We bought it from there.
Cafe?
The Sunny's.
the Sunny Cafe.
We went
they
there,
bought
we bought
before.
it before you guys came.
Oh, so that's how...
Yeah, and then when you guys called where you were going, we said na ano, I wanted to say you guys are over here, do you wanna come here na lang? But then mahahalata nyo na we bought cake from there, so we're like, okay, they'll find something.
Tapos hanggang sa sinabi na doon. But then, ang funny kasi, ang ganda nung picture. As in, mukhang malaki. Tapos nung reality versus expectation, sabi, ay, eto wala yan.
Pero ang ganda. Thank
Meron
you.
tatlo kasing option.
Brownie, cheesecake, or
And where did you get the Valentine's, ano?
This is from...
Wait lang, yung mga creators ko. Ayusin na suyin. Ipopost ko rin yan, oy.
Yan na.
Saglit
Ayan,
lang.
upo ka dito.
Wait, I'm not ready. Thank you, guys.
Happy birthday to you.
Louder!
Tuloy pa.
Sorry.
Oy!
Oy, oy.
Oy! Kita!
Ayan kasi vodka eh.